to log in to SunTrust Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to SunTrust Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for SunTrust Banks. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.trust.com. Click on that. Now you can go to sign in, which is on the upper right corner. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to open account and you can create your account. But to log in, go to sign in, and here you have to enter your user ID of your online banking. And after entering the user ID, you can enter your password. But if you forgot your user ID or if you forgot your password, then you will have these options which says forgot user ID and then reset password. You can simply click on those and then you can reset or recover it. But if you want to log in or sign into another account, then you can go to here, which is on the bottom. You can simply go to the drop down bar and then you can choose your account. But if you want to log into online banking, then simply enter your user ID and then your password and click on sign in, and that's it. That's how you log into your SunTrust Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.